Stop letting potential clients endlessly scroll Zillow and start providing them with hyper-personalized home searches they'll actually use, keeping them engaged and ready to buy. First, log into your Kvcore dashboard. We're going to focus on the Smart CRM functionality. This is where the magic happens for setting up those targeted home searches. Now, find the contact you want to set up with a home search. Click on their name to open their profile. You'll see several options here, but we're going to scroll down to find the Property Alerts section. See that Set Up Property Alert button? Go ahead and click that. This will open the search criteria window where you can customize the alerts. Okay, now it's time to get specific. Start by entering the location your client is interested in. This could be a city, neighborhood, or even a specific zip code. Next, set the price range. Make sure you've discussed your client's budget so you can nail this down. After that, choose the property type: single-family home, condo, land, whatever they're looking for. To really personalize the search, click on More Options. This will open up a whole host of additional filters here. You can specify things like square footage, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and even keywords like fireplace or updated kitchen. Once you've entered all the criteria, click the Run Search button. This will display a map with all the properties that match your client's criteria. Review these results to make sure they align with what your client is looking for. Happy with the search results? Awesome. Now click the Save Alert button. You'll then be prompted to choose how often your client receives alerts: immediately, daily, or weekly. I recommend immediate alerts for hot markets, but daily or weekly might be better for less urgent situations. Select the frequency that best suits your client and click Save. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a custom home search for your client. They'll now receive automatic property alerts based on their criteria, keeping them engaged and informed.